like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. In today's video, I will show you how to step-by-step properly jumpstart a vehicle to another vehicle without damaging the computer. For this video, you will need a good set of jumper cables. The first step is to check if the battery is dead. This happens when the battery is old or when you left something in the car turned on or open. You will also need a car with a good working battery. Get as close to the car with the dead battery, but leave some room in between to walk. Turn off both vehicles, engage the handbrake, and open both hoods. Look for the battery of the vehicle. If you can't find it, sometimes it's in the trunk or also sometimes it's inside, like in this case. Look for the conduction post. Connect the positive cable to the car without the battery. This is always red and it has a plus sign on it. Do not connect the negative. We will put this to the side and use it later on. In the vehicle with power, we will connect both negative and positive cables. This next step is the most important step. We will connect the negative cable to ground on the vehicle with no battery. This will help us prevent damaging the computer. You can accomplish this by connecting it to a screw or bare metal that touches the frame. Turn on the vehicle with a good battery and keep the revs stable. Try to turn the car with no battery. If this doesn't work, increase the revs and time. After you get it to start, unhook the cables without them touching. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.